Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reuse existing templates. When you go to settings, there you can get into the template gallery and you will find there one of the templates. One of them is it's called 10 QR codes per row. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use it. First of all, you have to make a copy of the template as you don't have a edit permission. So once you make a copy, it will make an identical file in your Google Drive, and you can modify the existing template. So what we have here? So we have here the main table with 10 columns. So the add-on will place 10 entries per row. And as you can see, there are no margins defined. So the main table utilizes the entire page size. You can always change it in your template when you go to File, Page Setup. And you can change the landscape orientation size. What I did in this template, I removed the left and right margins. What we can do now, let's say we can set page color. So we're gonna have a nice orange background. Okay, and what we could do here, we can just get rid of the one tag. So we have one QR tag that will be encoded into QR code, and here we're gonna have just a text field, but I just make it a little bit bigger, and uh, I want to have it in bold in the output document. So we are done here with the template. When I go back to the add-on, we now need to load the template. Yeah, you can have multiple templates stored on your drive, and once you load the template will be used for the entire encoding session. So now I loaded this template. So if I want to generate document and encode the data what I have in a spreadsheet, this template will be used. If I want to use a different one, I load a different one. Now we need to do the mappings. Yeah, we have the template, so we have the visual how it's gonna look like, but we need to tell the add-on how to insert the data into the template. So we have here the text from the template, QR and code. For the QR, I want to take data from the product code column and process them as a QR code. Uh, One important thing here, if you wanna put 10 codes in the template, you need to make sure that you choose a tiny option here. Otherwise, the QR codes might be overlapping, and you will have to choose a different page size, something which is more wider, or change orientation. And for example, as we change the color uh, for the page in the template, let's match with the background color of the QR code. And for the code, it will be we take it also from the product code. So the value what is in the encoding in the QR code will be the same one, will be below, and just a normal text field. Okay, we are done with the mapping, and we can generate the output document. So now the add-on actually processes only this one entire column and the data within that column. Okay. Oh, good. So we have the final document. All QR codes fit in, and below the QR codes we have the value. Yeah, and next time I need to choose play a little bit with the background color, so the background of the QR will match with the background of the page. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching.